Several states have ordered people to stay indoors unless they absolutely have to leave for things like food, medicine, or a job that's considered essential. Now, Florida's not one of those states as of tonight, but the Naples Fire Chief is hoping our state will make that change soon, meaning more restrictions for you. Thanks for joining us. I'm Patrick Nolan.
And I'm Jane Monreal. This morning, the chief wrote an email to Governor Ron DeSantis, actually asking that our governor place our state under a shelter-in-place order to help curb the spread of COVID-19. Fox 4's Rochelle Aline spoke with him about that decision. Also has a response from the governor.
She joins us now from the Naples Fire Department with that story. Rochelle?
Chief DiMaria says he doesn't want to lock people inside of their homes, but he does hope that by restricting unnecessary travel for just a little while, it'll help cut down on the spread of coronavirus and keep everyone safe, especially those who are most vulnerable. With a few strikes of his keyboard on Monday, Naples Fire Chief Pete DiMaria sent a small message with a pretty big impact to Florida Governor Ron DeSantis.
We applaud his efforts so far. We just think this next step is what we need to see put in place to further prevent the spread of this public health crisis.
The message asks DeSantis to consider placing the state under a shelter-in-place order. DiMaria says too many people are choosing to ignore suggestions to be physically and socially distant from others, and he's worried this will only contribute to the spread of COVID-19 in the state of Florida.
Shelter in place is only moving around for essential needs. So if you need groceries or you need medicine, one family member from the household should go out and run those errands and then return to the home.
Have you gotten a response yet?
I have not gotten a response from the governor, and I don't anticipate that he will respond back to me.
But Fox 4 got plenty of responses when we shared the chief's plea on our Facebook page earlier today. The comments seem split, with people for and against the request.
We just see New York, they've issued a shelter in place for the entire state. You know, shouldn't Florida do that?
And after our interview in Naples, we also heard a response from the governor himself. He's against the idea.
You are consigning a number, probably hundreds of thousands of Floridians to lose their jobs. You're throwing their lives into potential disarray. It's also not clear to me that doing a massive shutdown of the entire state would even work.
DeSantis went on to say that since the spread of COVID-19 isn't even across the state, he is more focused on locking down hotspots like Broward and Miami-Dade counties. He added that New York's shelter-in-place was having a direct impact on our state, which is why he's ordered anyone coming from there or New Jersey to be quarantined for 14 days.
People started leaving. They started going to other states. And actually, many of them have been taking flights to Florida.
In Naples, Rochelle Aline, Fox 4, in your corner.